My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the fake Amazon loyalty program survey alerts that are coming from the site Owncutboy.live. Owncutboy.live is a misleading and very deceptive website. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website claims to be somehow related to Amazon loyalty program, but this is a fake alert. The website is not related to Amazon. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make people share some of their personal details, and if you share it, this data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So if you see these pop-ups by Owncutboy.live, don't ever interact with them. I recommend that you research your computer, your Windows computer, with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner through this official website combocleaner.com, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.